Hey guys, this is Devin Binion from Top Rated Gutters of South Bend, Indiana. I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how to stay safe while cleaning your own gutters. First and foremost, you want to wear closed-toe shoes. You don't want to wear sandals while trying to climb up a ladder 15 feet off the ground. If you wear sandals, the toe of the sandals might get caught on the other little step, and then that could cause you to trip and fall off the ladder, whether it's 2 feet or 10 feet. They both suck. We don't want that to happen. Then the other thing is make sure you're hydrated before you climb that ladder. The worst thing to happen would be to be dehydrated. You get up to the gutters and you're cleaning them, a little bit of time passes, and then you start to get dizzy and you feel kind of sick and nauseous. And now next thing you know, you're waking up on the ground with a broken arm or a broken wrist. We just don't want those things to happen. But the correct way to set up a ladder is stand straight, get the bottom of the ladder up against your toes and put your arms straight out. Once you have that, that is the proper way to set up a ladder, and you'll be able to climb up and down it with no problems. And then the obvious is you don't want your ladder to tilt either way, and you don't want your ladder to slide out from underneath you while you are up there. But wear gloves, because animals do go on the roofs. Birds fly over. You don't want their feces to get on your hands, so make sure you wear gloves. And then also safety glasses. You might have to bang some stuff loose out of the gutters, and you don't want anything to pop up and come in your eye and put you in the hospital. So if you don't feel comfortable doing any of this, give Top Rated Gutters a call, and we'll be glad to get your gutters clean for you.